The Phoenix 100 is a reliable mobile hotspot for voice and data communications that you can carry with you and use anywhere in the world under any conditions without relying on any infrastructure. It's designed to be sleek, rugged, compact, and water resistant. There's an embedded modem and lithium phosphate battery pack. This is the satellite antenna. There are two 4G antennas. There are two 4G SIM cards, one GPS antenna, and one Wi-Fi antenna. It comes with a Droid device for operating the satellite and controlling the modem priorities. The two SIM cards provided carry AT&T Firstnet and Verizon services. Before opening the case, plug the Phoenix 100 into a power source. If a hardwired power source is not available, use the solar panel provided. Open the case. Remove the 4 antennas in the accessory bag. Turn on the power and then the router. Screw in the antenna to the corresponding posts. Once all 4 antennas are screwed in, the Phoenix 100 will now be broadcasting a large Wi-Fi hotspot. At this point, you should be able to connect with any Wi-Fi device to the Phoenix 100 and make Wi-Fi calls from your device, as well as browse the internet and use data. If conditions do not allow for cellular connectivity, at this time you will need to connect the satellite antenna in order for the Phoenix 100 to provide calling and data services. Remove the satellite antenna, press and hold the power button on the back of the antenna for 2 seconds. Once the blue indicator is flashing blue, press and hold the power button for another 2 seconds until it is flashing orange. At this time, a loud audible tone will start. Point the satellite antenna in different directions and angles until you get the highest frequency beep. Using the Droid device provided with the Phoenix 100, open the application called Explore Connect. Once open, select Satellite Phone. Using the 3-digit country code for the person you are calling, enter the phone number. And then call. It takes a few moments to connect, but through the satellite, through the Phoenix 100, it will connect your call.